something at the Apple Store today. Today, Apple is finally launching the brand new iPhone 17 lineup. It is currently 7 a.m. and we're here at iPhone launch day. There's actually tons of people waiting in line. Alright, so there's actually tons of people waiting in line already. With this being this early, these are all the people that are actually doing the pre-orders already. And the line even goes all the way down there. I'm really curious on how many people actually got the Air compared to the 17 Pro. So what's crazy about all of these people is that all of these people, even those in the back, already did pre-orders. So the people that are waiting right now already have their iPhone, so they really shouldn't be waiting at 8 a.m. on a Friday. But that just shows you the true excitement and how people are just so excited about this brand new iPhone. So check this out. Pro and Air vinyls are now in the Apple Store. They still aren't opening. We've literally got like 20 minutes to go for all the crazy excitement. I know in Times Square they've actually put like physical Pro, literally 3D objects out in the stores. Here in Barcelona we just get the vinyl. But look at this. It's so, I wish I could have this in my home. iPhone 17 Pro, baby. Sorry, are you Alberto Bermejo?
Yes, do you want an autograph?
Alright, we've got my friend Alberto Bermejo. What iPhone are you buying today? Air or Pro?
Pro.
You don't like the Air?
I think the Pro is just for me. It's
Okay.
for the pros. Finally, it's for the pro.
Are you buying the black? Oh wait, there is no black. What color are you getting?
The kind of black, bluish. From 0 to 10, how similar to black would you say it is?
1.
One?
It's just dark. It's not black at all.
There's no way it looks dark.
No, at all. Sorry, it's not black. No black iPhone this year. What iPhone are you buying?
The orange one, obviously.
Orange iPhone?
The best one.
17 Pro?
17 Pro Max.
All right, we've got 10 minutes to go and the Apple Store employees are already cheering. They're excited. Okay, there it is. That is the first customer for the iPhone 17. So this is Gabriel. He's here for every single year for the iPhone launch. He's an amazing subscriber and he's actually telling me to open his iPhone 17 Pro. Are you sure?
Totally sure.
Okay, here we go. So you got the 256 gigabyte cosmic orange color. Us as YouTubers, we like that retention. So before we open this, let's open the case first. Perfect. Or you should open the case. Okay, let's open it together. All right, ready? First tab. You want to do the second one? You want to do the other? We can do it together.
I don't have nails, so...
Is that why you wanted me to open it? Because you don't have nails?
Probably.
This guy. Beautiful. 3, 2, 1. And that is your iPhone 17 Pro in cosmic orange. Beautiful. Be careful. Amazing. I absolutely love to see how Apple displays their new crossbody straps in retail. So this is what they actually came up with. This is kind of the accessory section. So you've got the new bumper for iPhone Air, the silicone for the standard and the Pro, and the crossbody strap that has this kind of arrow right here. It looks amazing in display. You've got more over here, displaying even more colors and displaying the different varieties for iPhone Air and also for the Pro. This one right here, the orange one, is just such a cool... Oh, it's actually sold out already. I really like this color. It's probably super popular. You've got this brownish one, this blue, the green, the gray, this yellow one that suits this so well, the sky blue, which is the one that I'm currently wearing on my iPhone Air, the midnight, and in white as well. Look also how cool this backdrop is for the Apple Watch Series 7 with the activity rings, the sleep tracking, the workout app. I want these. It feels like liquid glass. Obviously that's the concept for this, but I wish I could have this. I wish I could have this for home also. I really like this one. It's the light blush sport band. It's like a very, it's not even pink. It's like a more white, grayish, pinkish Apple Watch band. I love it. All right, quick little break. I just wanted to update you on the line. I mean, it's currently 11:50 and there's still a massive line. Now, if you're buying a brand brand new iPhone, you're gonna love today's sponsor, the brand new ESR Cyber Tough Magnetic Case. You've got 23 feet drop protection, which goes beyond the military grade standard. You've got a full coverage camera bar, so all of your cameras will stay protected. It's made of zinc alloy and looks stunning, and you've got this little kickstand, so obviously if you're in a table, you could prop it up and watch the movie. You've also got a camera controlled cover, so I'm sure you know if you break your camera control, it's actually very expensive. So it's very important to keep camera control actually protected. If you love MagSafe, you're gonna love this because it's actually 2 times stronger than your standard iPhone MagSafe. It comes in a bunch of beautiful colors, including this beautiful orange to match your cosmic orange iPhone 17 Pro. They also have this incredible screen protector, which comes with their ultra fit tray. You basically put your iPhone in and you've got a 2-step process and you've automatically applied your screen protector. So if you want to protect your brand new iPhone, you know what to do. You can hit down below in the description to either pick up the cases, the screen protectors. Thank you ESR so much for sponsoring this portion of this video. I don't know if you remember Victor back in the day, but I want to play this clip right here.
No, don't do it.
Yes.
Which,
Don't do it.
what are you most excited?
I don't know. For everything. I'm excited for just an emoji. I'm excited to say and poop emojis to people. That's gonna be fun.
Don't do
Me
it.
and Victor
No,
literally
no,
look
no,
like
no, no,
kids.
no.
So I feel like time has passed. He's like
Please
the
don't.
true OG
don't.
of the channel.
It's fine.
You didn't buy an iPhone case?
No, not yet.
Do you like Tech Woven? This is Victor's first time trying out Tech Woven. I actually tried it out. Tech Woven comes in a bunch of colors. Here's this one, which I love. I feel like this compared to Fine Woven is definitely a lot better. You've also got it in this color right here. Greenish one, which looks absolutely amazing. I've also got Beats cases in the Apple Store now. You've got 3 different models, I believe. You've got this one right here, which is the rugged case. You've got this one, which is the kickstand case. Now, what's cool about this case right here, that you've got this little pill right here, so you can open it up and use it as a little kickstand for your iPhone. It's actually magnetic. It snaps right into place, which is pretty cool. It also comes in a bunch of really cool colors. It comes in these 4 colors right here. I like this gray one a lot. This case right here has brought a lot of controversy because this is Apple's clear case and it's not clear at all. It's got this white frame around it, which in my opinion, if you've got the white iPhone, it makes a lot of sense, but if you've got the dark, it's kind of interesting the decision that Apple has done here. I know the reason why Apple did it, it's obviously the MagSafe placement, which is kind of in the bottom now. Apple didn't do that for the Air. The Air is still a transparent clear case. The clear case for the Air also comes in this darker tone for the black iPhone Air. I'm buying Arnau a case, and he has to decide which one. He's still undecided. He obviously bought iPhone 17 Pro. By the way, for those of you who don't know, Arnau is actually our producer for the channel. So all the scripts that you see here in the channel, all the organizing, all the producing, he does. Anyway, let's get a case. ¿Qué va,
This one.
Tech Woven.
Yeah, the best for my new orange iPhone.
Since he always does such an amazing job, here is his Tech Woven for this crazy Apple season that we've had. Robert, our videographer and editor, is actually editing right now, so you should have come. I would have got you a case. Sorry, Robert. All right, we've got a very special unboxing in a very special place. I'm actually not unboxing anything. Actually, I can unbox your case if you want. All right, here's Arnau's new Sienna Tech Woven case. That's what it's called. Victor has the deep blue iPhone 17 Pro Max, and Arnau has the orange, deep orange iPhone 17 Pro Max case. This is Tech Woven. Now brand new case for the orange one. Yay! You are getting so many unboxings today. You didn't even show Victor. People are excited to see your iPhone.
I'm rushing, sorry.
Victor's very excited, as you can see. Moment of truth. Bam. That is deep blue and cosmic orange. All right, full tap. Clear case. And that is how the clear case looks on the deep blue. It looks on the orange. You like it? Yeah. And obviously in Europe, we still do use a physical pin tray, and you get the braided cable. That's the iPhone unboxing.
Tío, es más oscuro de lo que yo pensaba, me gusta mucho.
So Alberto actually brought a black iPhone 15 Pro because
16
Pro, correct?
Yep.
You're obviously a big fan of black, and you were kind of upset that the iPhone didn't come in black, but are you happy with that?
Yeah,
Deep blue first
I think
time?
so, I think so.
Here, you want to show it to the camera to see that comparison?
There you go.
it is fairly similar. So it is like seeing them side by side, you truly feel that it's obviously a very dark iPhone. Obviously not black, but I feel like that's what Apple was going for, right? Try to please the black enthusiast in terms of black iPhones. Alright, so here are the brand new iPhone 17 Pro lineup. We've got them in a bunch of colors, 3 in 2 different models. We can actually check them out right here. So this is the Pro Max, and it obviously comes with the standard Pro. I've seen a lot of people picking up the Pro Max this year. I love that the fact that the table has this beautiful Pro branding. It's actually kind of metallic, which is super cool. So it comes in silver as well, which is this one right here. And I love it because it really has like those MacBook-like colors. And then it comes with this beautiful deep blue as well. I'm actually curious, which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Let's go ahead and check out the Air now. Let's move on to the Air now. So it comes with 4 colors. You've got the sky blue. You've got the gold, which is honestly my favorite color of the entire year this year. Not even the 17s or the Pros. This light gold is just absolutely beautiful. We've also got in sky blue, which is the one that I'm currently rocking right now. This is my current setup right now. And then I've got the black. The black one is actually one that I didn't check out enough. Is the black one here? This one. I haven't had enough time checking it out, but it's beautiful. You've got very jet blackish tones right here on the top, and then the side is very, very shiny. This, in my opinion, is the color that the 17 Pro should have come with. This thing is beautiful. Let's check out the 17 now. And here's the base model iPhone 17 lineup. Now, at the Apple event, I got to check all of them out, obviously. But one that caught my eye after the event is actually the standard, the screen. Man, now seeing it in person more calmly, this thing is beautiful. If I wasn't a tech nerd, this is probably the iPhone that I'd probably rock with. It's just such a beautiful color. Blue is also a color that I'm sure will be very popular. It's kind of like last year's, but it's not as saturated. You've also got this lavender, which is the one that we actually unboxed in the channel, which I love as well, and the obvious, the black and the white. Now let me show you the Apple Watch, because there's actually tons of new bands, which are actually very exciting. One of the most underrated products of the entire launch is this watch right here. This is the Apple Watch SE 3 that now has the always-on display. It's got so many advanced features that steals it, obviously, from Series. So this is Series 11, and it basically packs an improved glass. Something that I really wanted to show you is all of the new band options. This new braided orange band. I love this new lemon band right here. This one I'm thinking on buying it, actually. And then this is the Ultra. You've got satellite connectivity now and a lot of new features as well. It comes with this new really, really cool sport band, this neutral loop. I've actually got my Ultra 3 right here already with this new band right here. So there's actually tons of new bands. Let me show you the new bands actually. And here's a bunch of new bands for the Apple Watch. Check this new Nike neon yellow one. I absolutely love this one as well. These sport bands are actually, every single one of them are actually different. That's what makes these so unique. You've got the new sport band colors. The one that I was showing you about that I really like is this color right here, which it's the first time that I'm actually seeing it in person. It doesn't look pink at all. It's very starlight, I guess I'd say. I like it a lot. I actually even like it better in person. Got all the new Ultra band colors right here. This blue is very, very nice. And also the braided ones that I was showing you over there. Are you actually getting any Apple Watch bands? Let me know. So that's the iPhone 17 launch this year. What an amazing experience here in Barcelona. This is probably one of my favorite Apple stores in the world because it's the one that I've come every single year. You've got the beautiful trees, the amazing ceilings. It's just such a beautiful Apple store that in my opinion just has so many memories when I was little. I first started my big passion for Apple at this exact Apple store. If you want to see all of the unboxings of all of the new iPhones, they're obviously available in the channel. And if you're new to the channel, you can obviously hit subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know you guys enjoy vlogs. Thank you for coming. We're gonna go actually unbox my iPhone now, and film some shots for the review. So yeah, like this video if you enjoyed it, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.